Welcome to our channel. Today we how to authorize Alexa to control Jasco SmartThings, full guide step by step clearly. To begin, ensure your Jasco SmartThings device is connected to your SmartThings hub. Open the SmartThings app on your smartphone. Log in to your SmartThings account, or create one if you haven't already. Once logged in, navigate to the Devices tab at the bottom of the screen. Tap the plus sign to add a new device. Select Jasco from the list of manufacturers. Follow the on-screen instructions to add your Jasco SmartThings device. Ensure the device is properly connected and responding within the SmartThings app. Next, open the Alexa app on your smartphone. Log into your Amazon account associated with your Alexa device. Tap on the More option in the lower right corner of the screen. Select Skills and Games from the menu. In the search bar, type SmartThings and hit search. Find the SmartThings skill in the results and tap on it. Press the Enable to Use button. You will be prompted to log in to your SmartThings account. Enter your credentials to link Alexa with your SmartThings account. Once linked, grant necessary permissions to allow Alexa to control your devices. Return to the Alexa app home screen. Tap on the device's icon at the bottom. Select the plus icon to add a new device. Choose Add Device and then select Light or the type relevant to your Jasco device. Follow the prompts to discover your Jasco device through Alexa. After scanning, your Jasco SmartThings device should appear in the list of discovered devices. You can now assign a name to your device for easier voice control. To test the setup, say, Alexa, turn on device name. If successful, you are all set to control your Jasco SmartThings device using Alexa. For troubleshooting, ensure both the SmartThings and Alexa apps are updated to the latest version. Reboot your devices if you encounter connectivity issues. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.